Need reliable cold storage without taking up too much space? Meet the refurbished A&E Keeper ACK-302, ready to perform like new, only from Galileo Scientific. This compact unit keeps your samples consistently cool with a temperature range from 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees below room temperature. It holds steady within plus or minus 1 degree for the accuracy your lab counts on. Powered by advanced Peltier cooling technology, it delivers stable, vibration-free cooling. No ice, no hassle, and no risk of contamination. With room for 20 sample compartments, it's perfect for preserving multiple vials using ceramic-coated aluminum beads. It's energy efficient too, running on 60 watts with input from 90 to 230 volts. At just 2 kilograms and roughly 7 inches on each side, it fits easily into any lab space. And with a simple digital display, adjusting settings is quick and frustration-free. Every refurbished unit is thoroughly reviewed, reconditioned, and performance tested by our Galileo Scientific experts, so you get lasting performance at a fraction of the cost. Keep your samples safe, stable, and always ready with the Keeper ACK-302 from Galileo Scientific.